From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the euro, and as you can see, we are reaching towards the 50-day EMA, but you can see I have the high and the low of the last couple of weeks drawn out. We'll have to see how this plays out. There is a 200-day EMA and an uptrend line underneath that will offer support, so we'll see. If we do break the 50-day EMA, then we probably go to 110. If we break down below the lows of the last couple of weeks, then 105 gets target. Anything below there opens up the trapdoor. We have the ECB and the Fed both meeting next week within 1 day of each other. So we'll see whether or not the market tries to front run what happens, but there's a lot of volatility and choppiness coming.